Hello everyone. Let's now move further with this type of the activity. It's best suitable for the long length hair. You just have to tie up some of the hair. The leftover hair is to be tied up and you just have to convert a braid out of it. Then you can just give it an internal twist. Loosen the ponytail as apparent on your screen. After that you just have to decorate it using this fancy pin. Let's move towards another activity. Here you have to take the two strands from the different ends and then tie them up using the rubber band. Give the internal twist. The lower portion of the hair is taken and you just have to roll it and convert it into the bun. You can just insert a casual pin or you can just make use of the fancy pins upon the occasion. Let's move towards another activity. It's best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to take the few strands from both the ends, tie them up using the rubber band, give the internal twist, loosen some of the strands as apparent on your screens. After that, the leftover hair is taken and then you just have to tie it up using the another rubber band, not the whole one but the upper portion only. After that, it's time to work on the leftover hair. You just have to loosen first the tied up hair so that it will add up some more volume. The leftover hair is taken and the classical braid is built. That's everyone aware how you can just create it, then roll it towards the inner portion and you are done. Decorate it with a fancy pin. Let's move towards another type of the activity. It's best suitable for the long length hair. You just have to take the few strands of the hair and tie them up not at the center but at the one end. After that you just have to repeat the process as apparent on your screens. This type of the activity is very simple. It may be a little bit time consuming but it's worth investing the time because at last you are going to see how elegant this type of the hairdo looks like. Leftover hair is tied up into the braid and then rolled into the bun. Decorated with any fancy type of the pin. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.